Hey, it's me. I just got back from the gym and dinner is currently cooking. It's almost 9 p.m. and I put sweet potatoes in the oven, so that's gonna be like at least 45 minutes. So I've got some cheese and some pepperoncinis. Let's have a snack. Y'all may remember me having this every night when I was pregnant, okay? This was not just a phase, okay? This is delicious. And honestly, I have yet to get a message from any of y'all saying that you tried it and didn't like it, okay? I've only seen positive messages, so, but also, like, would I steer you in the wrong direction? Be for real. Anyways, I thought that while we wait on the sweet potatoes, because I don't want to get my chicken cooking until the sweet potatoes are basically done, because the chicken's only going to take like a few minutes to cook. So I thought that we could come on and chat about the menu for Thanksgiving, which actually, the menu that I wrote down is on my phone, and I'm now recording on it, but I digress. So, let's start off with the appetizers. Growing up, my family would do like an antipasto. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna do like the best things of it. A couple of elements from the antipasto, like some peppers, some cheese, some olives. Keep it simple, keep it short and sweet. Now I'm cooking. This is my holiday. I get to decide what we're doing here. I would say probably the best appetizer that my family did growing up was stuffed mushrooms. Here's the thing though, I don't know if everyone's gonna love the stuffed mushrooms. I think I'm gonna skip them. So, no stuffed mushrooms as an appetizer. But again, we're gonna have like some peppers, olives, cheese. Let's move on. I'm gonna be doing 2 loaves of my artisan sourdough loaf, which I gotta feed my sourdough and get it ready to go. 2 loaves of my artisan sourdough, and I'm going to do that whipped roasted garlic ricotta, that roasted garlic whipped ricotta recipe that I posted about the other day on my other account. It's so good. I think I'm gonna serve that up in a big plate and put fig jam right in the center of it, and then people can dip their sourdough in it. So I think that's going to be a second appetizer. So good. If you don't clap when you're eating this. Now, normally I would be full for the appetizers, but I don't want that. I don't want to do too many appetizers, okay? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 adults and then 3 kids plus Grayson. So I don't want to do too many appetizers, you know what I mean? So we're skipping on over to the main event, the main entree, okay? Obviously, I gotta get a turkey. Although after today's events, I don't know what turkey I'm getting. Turkey and gravy. I was just going to buy gravy. I know that that's so bad. But I grew up with my parents just using gravy from the jar. I know. So I might actually try and make my own gravy. What else? Oh, this is the good stuff. I'm out of breath. I'm so excited. So we're gonna do turkey, gravy, mashed potatoes. I'm gonna do sweet potatoes with marshmallows swirled in. Okay, so we've got double potato action. Stuffing, which the stuffing, I'm gonna do it the way my parents normally would. So you get just, actually I have it right here. Stuffing mix, right? And then you add in celery, onions, Romano cheese, an egg. That's pretty much, I think, it. Because there's already seasonings in it. But then I think, because I'm feeling a little bit spicy this year, I think I'm going to add in some cranberries, some dried cranberries. And that's going to be the stuffing. What else? Mac and cheese. Oh, and then I think this is the last thing. And then I think I'm going to do some Brussels sprouts because, like, we need some type of green veg, right? So I'm going to do Brussels sprouts, but I'm going to put this honey, what is this even called? I don't even know how to describe it. It's delicious, though. It's kind of like a zesty honey sauce on roasted Brussels sprouts. It's good. Trust me. It's so good. For dessert, I pretty much told everyone to bring a dessert. In my defense, they're coming from out of state. everyone that's coming is coming from out of state. And I figured what would travel well? You know, cookies, pies, you know? And that's that. Got cranberry sauce too. I'm forgetting something. I love y'all, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. And just know that I will be eating dinner at 9:30 tonight. It's Eastern time. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.